Dongguan Yihui Hydraulic Machinery Company Limited is experienced in designing and manufacturing various types of hydraulic press machines and stamping machines, especially specialized in manufacturing servo hydraulic press machine. The plant is established in 2009, covers an area of 8,000 square meters. We are strictly implement the ISO 9001 CE BV management standards. Yihui brand presses have been exported to over 60 countries, such as Germany, USA, UK, Sweden, France, Japan, Slovenia, Serbia, Saudi Arabia, El Salvador, Togo, Malaysia, Singapore, Australia, Vietnam, and so on. Hydraulic press machine mainly applied to hardware, automotive, aerospace, powder compacting, die casting, electronic, and other industries. We can provide total solutions, including machines, molds, product processing technology, automated production lines,